In WordPress, widgets are visible on all pages. But often, the YOOtheme Pro Demo websites need to assign widgets to specific pages. We use the free Jetpack plugin by Automatic, the company behind WordPress. To install it, go to the WordPress plugin manager and click Add New. Jetpack is usually one of the featured plugins. Install and activate it. Now, simply set it up with your WordPress.com account. The visibility feature will be enabled by default. If it's not a public site and you're developing it locally, you have to enable the visibility feature manually. To do so, click on Jetpack, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Debug. After that, click Access the full list of Jetpack modules available on your site and activate Widget Visibility. Now that we have successfully activated the Jetpack plugin, go to the Widget Customizer, open the area where your widget is published, and edit the widget. Here you will find the Visibility button that has a number of options to assign widgets to specific pages.